Let's read the story. The Red Shoes. By Hans Christian Andersen. In a picturesque village nestled amid lush meadows and swaying trees, there lived a young orphan girl named Karen. Though she was poor, Karen possessed a fervent love for beauty, particularly for a pair of red shoes displayed in a shop window. They were adorned with delicate red silk ribbons and shone like rubies in the sunlight. Karen's desire for the red shoes consumed her thoughts day and night. She yearned to possess them, believing they would transform her life and elevate her from her humble circumstances. One fateful day, an unexpected stroke of fortune smiled upon Karen. A wealthy woman took notice of her and, moved by the girl's plight, gifted her the coveted red shoes. Overwhelmed with joy, Karen slipped her feet into the shoes and paraded through the village, enchanted by their exquisite beauty. The red shoes appeared to possess a magical allure, for as soon as Karen wore them, a sensation of blissful elation coursed through her. They were the most exquisite shoes she had ever seen, and she danced with unparalleled grace and joy, feeling as if she were gliding on air. However, the seemingly enchanted shoes held a dark secret. They had a will of their own, compelling Karen to dance uncontrollably, even against her own wishes. No matter how much she desired to stop, the shoes led her into a frenzied dance, spinning her through day and night, leaving her exhausted and unable to rest. Karen sought the help of an old soldier with a red beard, who advised her to pray to God for mercy and seek repentance. He even attempted to rid her of the cursed shoes by forcefully removing them, but to no avail. The shoes remained firmly attached to Karen's feet, continuing to control her every movement. Driven to desperation by the relentless dancing, Karen sought refuge in a church, hoping to find solace and redemption. Yet, the cursed shoes forced her to dance even there, disrupting the sanctity of the holy place. Karen begged for forgiveness, tears streaming down her cheeks, but the shoes showed no mercy, compelling her to dance without rest. Overwhelmed by her plight, Karen sought the help of an executioner, hoping that his axe could sever the enchanted shoes from her feet. The executioner reluctantly complied, chopping off her feet at the ankles, but the shoes persisted, continuing to dance, now with Karen's severed feet inside them. The cursed red shoes danced away into the forest, leaving Karen behind, bleeding and in excruciating pain. She repented and pleaded for forgiveness, praying for mercy and release from the torment inflicted by the malevolent shoes. Karen spent her days in penance and sorrow, reflecting on the consequences of her vanity and desire for worldly beauty. Though she was fitted with wooden feet and learned to walk again, the memory of the cursed red shoes and their devastating consequences haunted her for the rest of her days. In the end, Karen found solace in humility and a newfound understanding of the fleeting nature of material desires. She sought forgiveness and devoted herself to a life of repentance, teaching others the dangers of vanity and the importance of humility and inner beauty. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.